Hello, here's Nonna Maria again with another simple recipe. Today, we're gonna do Bolognese, Sicilian Bolognese, because in Sicily we add peas on our Bolognese. Strange, but true. Here's tomatoes, carrots, the Trinity, of course, carrots, onion, and celery, tomato paste, garlic, peas, some beef broth, organic basil, and organic beef, and spices. Now, we saute for a little while until the veggies are a little soft. Now, we added the meat. The veggies are very soft. We added the meat and we let it cook for a little while until it's brown. We add the peas at the very end, otherwise they become mush. See, the meat is a little brown. Now we add some tomato paste. Let it cook for a little while. Now, we add a little red wine. Now, the sauce. I mean the tomato, not the sauce. It's not sauce yet. Stir a little bit. Very little basil, otherwise it makes the sauce bitter. You add basil at the end. Stir it a little bit more. Now, time for the peas. And I forgot earlier to say, we had bay leaves. This is a straight from Sicily, bay leaves. Straight from the tree. I brought it back last year. Now, lower the flame, let it simmer about an hour and a half. This is good for lasagna. That's how I make my lasagna. Pasta forno, baked pasta, and my famous arancine. Le arancine, o solo bolognese with spaghetti. No, better with tagliatelle. Tagliatelle alla bolognese. This is it, my dear friends. Now simmering. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love my bolognese. I hope you're gonna taste it too and make it for me. Please don't forget to sign up on my channel. Bear with me. I'm very new. Okay? I'm learning while I go. Se siete dell'America, if you're from here, now you understand. Ciao! Alla prossima ricetta!